The way I see it, organizational value comes directly from consumer value.
Measurement of success is not the number of lines of code written anymore, or we produced this much stuff. It's about the success. It's about the measurable success factors of the product.
If your consumers aren't happy, they're not going to buy your product. They're not going to resubscribe to your application, right? If you make your consumers happy, the bottom line will follow.
We could develop and implement 1,400 features, but if those aren't the right features, it's not going to be chosen by your user, and it's not going to compete in the market, and it isn't going to create monetizable value, and so it's not going to be successful.
When you start anything by really empathizing with the user need, and you develop your app truly meant to solve a user pain point, it is going to be sustainable and successful for the long run.